Indeed, nice one. Okay, today we're gonna learn about the fascinating genre called emo. To be an emo, you have to wear black, paint your fingernails black, like the color black, wear clothes that are black. You don't have to be black. Usually you have to be very pale white, or wear makeup and have black hair. You have to hate yourself and cut your wrists. And, well, you have to be a big wuss, you know. You have to be a big baby. So, we're gonna learn about bands like Green Day and, let's see, like Fall Out Boy, Hawthorne Heights, Hate My Family and Kill Myself. Stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? And they're pretty rockin'. We're gonna learn about the rockin' stuff right here. Now play that funky music, white boy.
Hate my life. I wanna kill myself. I paint my fingernails black. I cut my wrist to feel alive. I didn't get an A in social studies, so I'm gonna kill myself. Why does my mom take my cell phone away when I tell her that I hate her? Oh God, I hate my life. Why won't that boy go out with me? He keeps on saying I'm a fag, but I'm not! Oh my God! Oh please, I just want those new pair of shoes. Please, oh my God. I do a solo! Support the feds. Just kidding. I don't care who you support. Because I don't care. I hate my life!